Oh, everybody has to determine that. I mean, by going by trial and error, because in a system of racism, we are told that a lot of things are constructive that are not constructive at all. I mean, everything is so artificial. I mean, the way people interact with each other, they'll say that, you know, that this is correct conduct, and this is proper conduct. And when you examine it, it turns out to be something that may not be of constructive value. You can always tell whether it's constructive or not by the result. You can tell when something is causing pain to someone, because usually someone who is being pain will let you know that they're in pain, and they'll let you know why. It's something that somebody is doing or something that somebody says. See, it's a matter of trial and error, really, but you always be in the mode of doing your best to do whatever is going to have a constructive result. And you can do this by always following that principle of solving problems, which is what? The process of what? Questions and answers. In other words, you'll say, now, I'm proposing this. Say if you're making a proposal on the job, and then after you make this proposal around the table about how to improve the work conditions, the work environment, then you ask questions. You say, now, does anybody have any disagreements or anybody have any reservations about what is being proposed? Ask that question. Just don't put it out there to people and walk away. Ask the question. Now, this thing that we're fixing to do, is everybody on board with this? Does anybody see where this is going to be harmful to someone? Is someone going to be harmed? If anybody's going to be harmed, we're going to have to re-examine this thing that we're fixing to do, because we're not supposed to bring harm to anybody. Otherwise, we won't have that thing that we should always be trying to achieve, called justice. So it's a matter of, as you proceed along in doing anything, you check with people. You know, constantly check. Say, is everybody okay? Is everybody okay with this? Is everybody on board with this? And if not, say so. And say why. And we'll re-examine it and try to iron out whatever is incorrect. That's how you find out what is constructive. Constantly ask questions and get answers to the questions.
Mm-hmm.
Don't skip over a question. You know, don't say, well, I mean, you know, we don't have time for that, blah, blah, blah. No, back up, because you got to take time. Sometimes, in order to produce or be in the process of producing justice, you have to kind of slow down.